Am I audible?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
So, so last time we were discussing these extension and contraction of ideals, if you remember. So we will continue that. So there are some small exercises that I want to just leave for you to verify. So these are some exercises. So suppose you have ideals. So let I1, I2 be ideals in A, and J1, J2 they are ideals in B. So verify that first I1 plus I2. If you take some of these two ideals and then take their extension, it is same as I1 extension plus I2 extension, and J1 plus J2 contraction. It contains J1 contraction plus J2 contraction. First, second, I1 intersection I2 whole extension is a subset of I1 extension, subset of I1 intersection I2 extension, and J1 J1 intersection J2 whole contraction is equal to J1 contraction intersection J2 contraction. Third, I1 I2 product extension is same as I1 extension I2 extension, and J1 J2 whole contraction, it contains J1 contraction J2 contraction. Fourth, if you take a colon ideal I1 colon I2 and take the extension, it is a subset of I1 extension colon I2 extension. And similarly, if you take J1 colon J2 contraction, it is also subset of J1 contraction colon J2 contraction. And finally, if you take a radical of I1 extension, it is subset of radical of I1 extension. Okay, and radical of J1 contraction, it is equal to radical of J1 contraction. Okay, so these are some exercises. This is a routine, so do it. they would be used in later on. We will be using these properties of extension and contraction in many results in order to prove many results. So do it. Now some more results on extension and contraction. So this is a proposition. So proposition, so let f from A to B be a ring homomorphism, be a ring homomorphism I is an ideal in A, J is an ideal in B, then first I is subset of I extension contraction, and J contains J contraction extension, and secondly J contraction is equal to J contraction extension contraction, and I extension is equal to I extension contraction extension. Okay, so these are the things that we want to prove. So first we prove that I is contained in I extension contraction, and J contains J contraction extension. Now what is I extension contraction? I extension contraction, पहले आप इसकी एक्सटेंशन लेंगे फिर उसका कंट्रैक्शन लेंगे। तो मतलब पहले आपको आई एक्सटेंशन का मतलब हो गया ideal generated by f of I. So this is I extension, and then its contraction means you are taking the inverse image. Okay, so this is what the meaning of I extension contraction. Now this actually contains f inverse f of I. Why it contains f inverse f of I? Because this ideal generated by f of I, it contains f of I. And this f inverse f of I, it contains I. F inverse f of I contains I, because you can just see it. Suppose this is A, this is your ring B, and you have a homomorphism F. I is an I is sitting here, and then you have f of I here. Now if you take it again, it's इसकी जब आप reverse image back लेंगे f inverse f of I, तो वो I के अंदर होगी, it would be sitting inside. So f inverse f of I जो है ये I के अंदर होगा। अगर ये 1 1 है मैप, तो उस केस में तो आपको पूरा ये होगी, ये दोनों बराबर होंगे, बट अदरवाइज f इनवर्स f ऑफ I में I से कम एलिमेंट भी हो सकते हैं। सो देयरफॉर this is subset of I. Okay, so we are done. We have shown that this I is a subset of I extension contraction. Now secondly, J contraction extension. J contraction extension. So first you have to take J contraction, means you have to take f inverse of J, and then take its extension. तो आप यहाँ देखें इधर, see this. So this is your A, this is B and you have a homomorphism F. आपका J यहाँ पे है, आपने यहाँ इसकी ये ले लिया आपने F इनवर्स J, इसकी रिवर्स इमेज। अब आप इसकी एक्सटेंशन लेंगे यहाँ पे F ऑफ F इनवर्स F इनवर्स J, तो वो यहाँ पे होगा और ओबियसली वो J से बड़ा होगा, J से बड़ा होगा। ओके, सो दिस इज योर दिस इज F इनवर्स J एंड नाउ F इनवर्स J की आपको एक्सटेंशन लेनी है, सो यू हैव टू टेक आइडियल जनरेटेड बाय दिस। ओके, so F of F inverse J would be a subset of J, so this is a subset of J ideal generated by J, and ideal generated by J would be J itself. Ideal generated, because J itself is an ideal, so therefore ideal generated by J is J itself. This is because J is an ideal in A. अगर J कोई ideal है तो उस सेट J से जो ideal generate होगा वो J itself ही होगा। Okay, so this means you have that J contraction extension is a subset of J. So this proves the first part. Now second part. Now J contraction. If I take J contraction is a subset of J contraction extension contraction, है ना? क्योंकि मैंने पहले यहाँ कहा किसी भी आइडियल के लिए फर्स्ट पार्ट में आपके पास है, किसी भी आइडियल I के लिए I जो होता है वो सबसेट होता है I एक्सटेंशन कंट्रैक्शन का। ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब J कंट्रैक्शन भी कोई आइडियल है आपका A में, तो J कंट्रैक्शन सबसेट होगा J कंट्रैक्शन एक्सटेंशन कंट्रैक्शन का। एंड दिस इज बाय पार्ट 1 एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू, इसको आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं J कंट्रैक्शन एक्सटेंशन कंट्रैक्शन, ब्रैकेट्स आप चेंज कर सकते हैं, it doesn't matter, but again now J contraction extension, अगर आप इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट का दूसरा हिस्सा देखेंगे J contains J contraction extension, so therefore it is contained in J contraction, it is contained in J contraction. Okay, it is contained in J contraction. So J contraction extension is contained in J contraction extension contraction, and J contraction extension contraction is contained in J contraction. So you have inclusions from both sides. So this means J contraction is same as J contraction extension contraction. Okay. Similarly, you can prove that this I extension is same as I extension contraction extension, and this proves this proposition. So call an ideal, so we have some definitions. So an ideal I of A is contracted ideal if I is the contraction of some ideal of B. that is if I equals J contraction for some ideal J of B। I को आप कहेंगे कंट्रैक्टेड आइडियल अगर ये B के किसी आइडियल की कंट्रैक्शन होगा। सिमिलरली एन आइडियल J of B is extended ideal if J is equal to I extension for some ideal I of A, for some ideal I of A। ठीक है, जैसे आपके पास ये है, ये A है आपका रिंग, ये B है और यहाँ से यहाँ कोई होमोमॉर्फिज्म है F, तो ये आइडियल I है आपका यहाँ पे, ठीक है, ये आइडियल आपका J है, तो F इनवर्स J अगर I के बराबर हो जाए, कोई ऐसा आइडियल आपको J यहाँ मिल जाए सच दैट I इक्वल हो जाए J कंट्रैक्शन के जो आपकी F इनवर्स J है, तो उस केस में आप कहोगे ये आइडियल जो है वो कंट्रैक्टेड है, मींस J के किसी B के दूसरे आइडियल J की कंट्रैक्शन बराबर हो जाए I के, तो आप कहोगे I इज कंट्रैक्टेड आइडियल। ठीक है, और यहाँ कोई आइडियल सपोज आपके पास J है, तो अगर कोई ऐसा आइडियल I मिल जाए यहाँ आपको कि सच दैट I की जो एक्सटेंशन है वो J के बराबर हो यहाँ, तो उस केस में आप कहोगे J इज एन एक्सटेंडेड आइडियल ऑफ B। नाउ so then we have put C equal to all the C as the set of all the contracted ideals in A. C is contracted ideals in A. Contracted ideals in A. Okay. And E equal to extended ideals in B. Extended ideals in B. So if C is the set of contracted ideals in A and E is the set of extended ideals in B, then we have this proposition. So you have this proposition. So you have this proposition. Something is happening with my pen, I don't know. Proposition. So this set C, which is the set of contracted ideals in A, it is actually by our, this proposition says that C is precisely this ideal. K ideal in A such that K extension contraction is K। तो आप कंट्रैक्टेड आइडियल्स की डेफिनेशन चेंज होगी, हमने इसको डिफाइन तो पीछे किया था, लेकिन अब ये जो क्लास ऑफ कंट्रैक्टेड आइडियल्स है, दिस प्रोपोजिशन सेज दैट कंट्रैक्टेड आइडियल्स वो होंगे जिनकी एक्सटेंशन और फिर कंट्रैक्शन उन्हीं के बराबर हो जाएगा। ठीक है, और इसी तरह एक्सटेंडेड आइडियल्स, व्हाट हैपेंड, so So just 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me share it again. Okay, so extended ideals are those ideals so so extended ideals are those ideals L in B such that L contraction extension is L. So something is actually happening with my this pen. I am unable to write. So I would ask you to rejoin again. Okay, I will end this and please rejoin.